What's up, guys? Ricky Brabec here in my garage, getting ready for the Dakar Rally 2021. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I bring personally to the Dakar Rally. All right, guys, here we are. Gonna tell you what I bring. 8 to 10 pairs of socks, 12 pairs of lenses, 6 to 7 to possibly 8 goggle lenses, lots of underwear for sure, 3 pairs of warm weather gloves, 8 pairs of normal weather gloves, jersey, pants, riding jacket. The bulk of it is already there, but normally 4 jackets, 8 pants, 12 jerseys, because you never know if you're gonna get wet or not. Nice surprise in the mail. Thank you guys, Alpine Stars. 1 set of knee braces, 3 bladders, 3 liters each, 2 pairs of boots, 1 pair from home, 1 pair's there. Laundry bags, you can never go wrong with laundry bags. You know, we go through a lot out there. Goggle case, usually with supplements and things like that. And, you know, the most important part, the riding vest with an airbag. All right, guys, new safety product issued by the ASO, airbag body armor. This one's made by Alpine Stars. And what happens is during a crash, it senses the movement of the crash. And this whole entire thing just kind of inflates around your body to keep you safe from internal injuries and possible death. All right, guys, here's a little bit about the bike. We got a wheel up front, wheel in the back. They're both round. Check that out. On a more serious note, you know, we got a fuel tank on both sides. We even got a fuel tank right here in the back. 9 gallons of fuel gets you across the desert where you want to go. Got the navigation tower. A few things we need to know to find our way through a desert we've never been in. First off, step number 1, they're going to hand you this piece of paper that apparently has directions if you know what you're doing. Anyways, you got the odometer on the left, a picture in the middle to help you, and information on the right. Top left, you got your odo. Top right, you got your cap heading. And down here on the handlebars, on the left-hand side, you got all your switches. Step 1, turn them on. All right, anyways, to move this map that you may or may not know how to read, we got to use this toggle right here, the thumb toggle, you know? Just scrolls the paper up, down. These 2 buttons are gonna adjust your odometer so you can reset if you feel like you know where you're at, if you get lost. And basically that's the basics. It gets a lot more advanced the deeper you get into rally, but we'll get to that later.